We are 8th graders from Penn's Grove, and we visited a valve manufacturing site called CPV.
CPV is a world-renowned industrial valve manufacturer.
You have valves that some are this big, they could take a couple minutes to put together. And then we have some valves that are this big that can take a couple days.
We have a lot of valves that go to the Navy on nuclear submarines or battleships, Apollo missions. For NASA, a lot of stuff that goes to SpaceX, like the Space Needle in Seattle.
The companies who buy our products, they are improving, enriching, and protecting people's lives.
Most of our valves are shipped to the government, so they use them on naval ships and submarines.
We have to make the design and we have to send it to the Navy, and it takes sometimes up to a year to see if they'll approve the design.
It's fascinating when you think about all the places that our valves are used.
Favorite part about my job is being able to take something from absolutely nothing and making it a part, something that you physically can use.
What I think is so cool about manufacturing is you can start with a block of metal, and just through machining to certain designs and then assembling something, you have a product that works, whether it be the Navy, the Navy men on those ships using the valves.
I think manufacturing is so cool because our products go all over the world.
I would say that manufacturing is an amazing career opportunity. There's a lot of opportunities, especially in small manufacturing companies.
My favorite part of the job is just knowing that what I do makes a difference.
You might have the part that comes to you that day that you really have to think outside the box, and you may not have the tooling to make it, but you have to make something adapt and work.
Manufacturing is getting bigger over the years, so there's so many different challenges.
We want to expand, and the opportunities are here to do such a thing.
Thank you, CPV.
We are grateful for the time you gave and for letting us tour your facility.